And see, this question has been asked in CBSE board 2025. So look over here carefully. Given if integration 0 to 1 e to power x upon 1 plus x dx is equals to alpha, then find the value of integration 0 to 1 e to the power x upon 1 plus x whole square dx is equals to. You have to find this value. So we use integration by parts in this question. Our integration given 0 to 1 e to the power x upon 1 plus x whole square dx. So here we use integration by part. Integration by part state that if we have integration u dv equals to uv minus integration v du. So from here, let's suppose u equals to e to the power x and dv equals to 1 upon 1 plus x whole square dx. So here now differentiate it, then it becomes du equals to e to the power x dx, and if we integrate it, so integrate both the sides, it becomes dv equals to integration 1 upon 1 plus x whole square dx. From here, if we integrate dv, then it becomes v. So v equals to integration. To integrate it, the denominator you have to take to the numerator, then it becomes 1 plus x to the power minus 2 dx. Now integrate it, so it becomes our 1 plus x to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. From here we get the value of v equals to 1 plus x to the power minus 2 plus 1, that is become minus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So it becomes, this minus goes to the upper side, so it becomes minus 1 upon. It is our inverse, so if we take it to the denominator, it becomes 1 plus x. So v equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Now these values put here, then it becomes our integration 0 to 1, this is our I, 0 to 1, we assume u as e to the power x, so it becomes e to power x, and dv is 1 upon 1 plus x to the whole square, so it becomes 1 plus x whole square dx. It is nothing but our questions. So u dv equals to u into v. So u is equals to e to the power x, so e to the power x into v. It comes out to be minus 1 upon 1 plus x limit 0 to 1 minus becomes here minus integration v into du. V is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square, it becomes 1 upon v. V is this formula, integration v du. V is minus 1 upon 1 plus x into du. Du is e to the power x dx, so it becomes e to the power x into dx. So from here our integration I becomes, now this minus takes to the outside, So it becomes minus e to the power x upon 1 plus x limit 0 to 1. This minus minus becomes plus integration. I put limit 0 to 1, becomes 0 to 1. It becomes e to the power x upon 1 plus x dx. Now put upper limits and lower limit here. So it becomes minus is outside. So if we put at the place of x 1, so it becomes e to the power 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus lower limit x at the place of x put 0. So it becomes e to the power 0 upon 1 plus 0 here plus, and it is given our alpha. Here already given value of alpha is integration 0 to 1 e to the power x upon 1 plus x dx. So it becomes alpha. Now here it becomes minus of e upon 1 plus 1 2. Here it becomes minus e to the power 0, that is 1 upon 1 plus 0 1 plus alpha. From here we get multiply minus sign. So minus minus plus 1, write it as plus 1 minus e by 2 plus alpha, or if we take alpha to the front side, it becomes alpha plus 1 minus e by 2. So our answer is alpha plus 1 minus e by 2. See which option is correct? Alpha plus 1 minus e by 2, that is B option. So if you wanna see full lecture, then subscribe my channel. Phantom Astrology classes 1 and 2 must be there.